Very good morning, dear students. In this video, we will be discussing the part 3 of the novel The Financial Expert. We knew that the novel The Financial Expert was written by a famous Indian English writer R.K. Narayan. And in the previous videos, we have been discussed that in the part 1 of the previous video, we knew Margaya was a moneylender. He was carrying out his business under the banyan tree in front of the Central Cooperative Land Mortgage Bank. And after the meeting of Dr. Pal, he decided to publish a book named Domestic Harmony. By publishing book, he got money, he earned a lot of money and he became rich. In this part, we came to know that after getting money from publishing business, Margaya wants to put that money or invest that money in the local bank. The name of the local bank was Town Bank. And a check in his hand, he went there and sat in the bank. There he looked around the people who were waiting in order to get their service attended. He wanted to have these people as his customers. He dreamt of a beginning a bank in Malgudi of his own. The idea of beginning bank or establishing a bank came into his mind when he was waiting at the bank. After completing his work at bank, he came out of the bank. For the third time, he met Dr. Pal. This time, Dr. Paul told him that he came back after getting training in tourism. Margaya was confused what kind of tourism, what kind of training, and all. And Dr. Paul explained everything to Margaya that he would open an office of tourism in Malgudi and he would guide people who wanted to go on a tour. This was the plan of Dr. Paul this time. And Margaya obviously expressed his wish to open a bank in Malgudi, and Dr. Pal helped him by showing a vacant block, a neighboring shop of his own office. He took Margaya to the owner of the shop, Guru Raj. He introduced Guru Raj to Margaya and he told Guru Raj that Margaya was his friend and he wanted to open a bank in the shop. And Gururaj asked what kind of bank he wanted to do. Then Margaya told him the thing he wanted to do at shop, a kind of banking he wanted to do. And he told Gururaj that he would take deposits from the people and he would give them more interest for their investment. This was the idea of Margaya. This was the banking he wanted to do in that shop. And the owner, Gururaj, agreed for this and he got ready to deposit money in Margaya's bank. Thus, Gururaj became both the owner and the first depositor for Margaya's bank. Gradually, Margaya absorbed in his work. As we knew, Margaya was very keen to start a bank and he was expert in financial matters. In publishing business, he didn't have that much interest if we compare with the banking. So, Margaya completely absorbed, completely engrossed in the work and started his banking. As we knew, Dr. Paul was a journalist and he had a wonderful contacts with people. He was well connected with people, so he became a medium or a mediator to bring more clients and more customers to Margaya's bank. Obviously, Dr. Paul brought many clients and many customers to his bank. Gradually, Margaya's bank become very popular and he began to become a very rich person in Malgudi. Dr. Pal advised whomever he met that they would deposit their surplus money with Margaya to get interest, to get profit. And on the other hand, by doing this, Dr. Pal helped Margaya to establish as a banker in Malgudi. Gradually, we knew after becoming very popular in Malgudi, he got a lot of deposits from the clients. He became a rich person, and his home or house began to fill with sacks of money. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರೋರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಣವನ್ನು ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಲ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹಣದ ಚೀಲಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆದರೆ, ಆನ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ದ ನಾವೆಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್.ಕೆ. ನಾರಾಯಣ್ tells us the story of Balu. After getting money, becoming rich, Margaya wanted to admit his son in the best schools in Malgudi. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ he took his son Balu in a great style to the school. The name of the school was Town Elementary School. Before taking him to school, before admitting him to school, he asked Balu to take blessings from his brother and sister-in-law in the next door. ಅವರ ಅಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅತ್ತಿಗೆ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ತಗೋ, ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. As we knew, he was a rich man in Malgudi and he became the secretary of the school managing committee. By this power, he got control over headmaster and other staff at school, and he started to insist them to give good education to Balu. However, Balu was not good at studies. He didn't get interest in studies. He was not happy with studies. Whatever the pain Margaya took to give him good education, Balu, in spite of all this, he couldn't get education, and he was unable to take interest in books and all. After some time, Margaya came to know that his son was not good at his studies, so he arranged for a private tuition, and he asked Murthy, the arithmetic and English teacher at school, to come home and give him a private tuition to Balu. Even after arranging private tutor, private tuition and all, Balu was unable to get interest in studies. At his studies, he was not at all good at his studies. There is a contrast. Yes, a contrast in the sense that Margaya wanted to get money and he worshipped Lakshmi. Now he wanted his son to get good education and he wanted his son to enter a university. So he hanged a Saraswati photo in the room of Balu. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹಣ ಗಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋಟೋವನ್ನು ಬಾಲುವಿನ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಏನು, ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಲಿ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಹಿಸ್ ಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಕನಸಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. As I said earlier, despite of tutors, private tuition and all, Balu couldn't clear matriculation exam even after attempting several times. ಹಲವಾರು ಬಾರಿ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಲು, ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ he insisted Balu to try again to take matriculation exam. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ನೀನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಬಾಲುಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಬಾಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, he grabbed that matriculation progress report from his father's hand and tore into pieces. ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆಯ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಡು ತುಂಡಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ he threw them into the gutter, the same gutter which engulfed our Margaya's red account book. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಚರಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದ ಬಾಲು, ಅದೇ ಚರಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಲು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆಯ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. A few days later, Meenakshi received a letter from Madras and she didn't know what it is in the letter. After Margaya opened the letter and read that, he got to know that Balu's untimely death. ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ನ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅವ್ರು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದ ಡೆತ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಲು ಮದ್ರಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. As soon as Meenakshi listened to it, as soon as Margaya listened to it, they couldn't understand what happened to their son. ಅವ್ರ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥವೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. In this incident, we can see Margaya's behavior towards other people. Margaya is going through very hard time that he listened to his son's death and he didn't know what happened really there, and his brother who is in the next door came to his help and he supported him that they would go to Madras and find out whereabouts of Balu and all. Then Margaya in his mind thought that his brother was taking this opportunity to have a free trip. ಏನಂತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮಗನ ಹುಡುಕುವ ಒಂದು ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಲುನ ಹುಡುಕುವ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. We knew that Margaya believed money is everything for human beings. ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯನ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಣವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ he is using an opportunity to have a free trip ಅಂತ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ very intelligently Margaya said no to his brother that he would go all alone and he find out what happened to Balu in Madras. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮದ್ರಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ he went to Madras. On the way to Madras, he accompanied a co-passenger who was a policeman who helped Margaya to find out Balu in Madras. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವರ ಕೋ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಯಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಯ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಾಲುನ ಹುಡುಕೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಮದ್ರಾಸಲ್ಲಿ.